to be there. Passion has to be there. One thing that I have told you, that when at the start that you need to have very good communication skills. You have to, when I was talking about user interface, then there has to be constant feedback, and you have to tell the other person उसकी प्रॉब्लम्स को आपने जानना है, आपने उसके साथ कम्युनिकेट करना है, then only you will be able to fulfill what the desires of that person. अपनी desires भी fulfill करोगे, उसकी भी करोगे अगर आपकी communication अच्छी है. Okay, regarding communication, another story, and I am sure that this will help you in your careers. आपको ये हेल्प करेगी. So stories ज़्यादातर कैसे शुरू होती हैं? There was a king, ऐसी होती है ना, एक राजा था. So this story also starts with there was a raja, there was a king, and like many other kings, he also used to have some courtiers. Courtiers were courtiers, दरबारीज. जैसे अकबर हैड नवरत्न, बीरबल, तानसेन, वो चुटकुले सुनाता था, वो गाने सुनाता था, अलग अलग काम करते थे. देवर डूइंग देयर ओन वर्क, जो उनके स्किल्स थे वही काम करते थे. तो दिस राजा, दिस किंग ऑल्सो हैड सम दरबारीज, एंड वन ऑफ द कोर्टियर्स वाज एस्ट्रोलॉजर, ज्योतिषी. One of the courtiers was a जोशी, an astrologer. राजा उसको बुलाता था जब भी उसने कोई नया काम, नया वेंचर शुरू करना हो. He used to call that जोशी to ask about the auspicious time, कि कब शुरू करूं, शुभ मुहूर्त, what you call शुभ मुहूर्त, auspicious time, when should I start a new venture. And he also used to consult the Joshis in case the king saw a dream. राजा को जो भी सपने आते थे, सबको सपने आते हैं, and we ask the meaning of that dreams from our elders, कि ये सपना देखा मैंने, इसका क्या मतलब है. So the king also used to consult the astrologer about the dreams that he saw, that the dreams he would see. तो जोशी से पूछता था कि इसका क्या मतलब है. तो वन डे द किंग सॉ अ ड्रीम, उसने सपने में देखा कि एक एक करके उसके सारे दांत गिर गए, टीथ, एक एक करके उसके सारे दांत गिर गए. ये सपना आया उसे. He called the Joshi and asked him. He called the astrologer, उससे पूछा कि मैंने ये सपना देखा है, एक एक करके मेरे सारे दांत गिर गए, इसका क्या मतलब है? What is the meaning of this dream? The astrologer said, okay sir, I'll tell you the meaning. Give me a day. I'll come to you tomorrow at the same time and I will tell you the meaning of your dream. He goes away. He goes to his home and he reads books. जोशीस के पास अपनी किताबें होती हैं ना, all of you know, क्या कहते हैं किताब? ओके, लाल किताब, सब कुछ लिखा होता है उसमें. तो जोशी ने वो किताब पढ़ी, उसने देखा कि सपने का क्या मतलब है, and next day he came back to the king. He told the king, okay sir, I have analyzed your dream. And the meaning of your dream is कि एक एक करके आपकी आंखों के सामने आपके जितने भी दोस्त हैं, रिश्तेदार हैं, सारे मर जाएंगे. All of them will die in front of your eyes, in front of you. आपकी आंखों के सामने मर जाएंगे. The king is very angry. बड़ा गुस्सा आता है उसे. How can a Joshi say like this? He is my darbari and he is saying this to me. I am the king. I have so many doctors, I have so many physicians, and how can all the people die? And मैं कुछ कर नहीं पाऊंगा. ईगो तो होती है ना, सब में ईगो होती है थोड़ी बहुती, तो राजा में तो ज्यादा ही होगी. तो he says कि कोई मुझे ऐसा कैसे कह सकता है? How can anyone say like this to me? So the king is very annoyed. He is very angry, and he tells, put the Joshi behind bars. Take action against him. He gives this order, and the Joshi and the astrologer is punished. He is put behind bars. अब क्या होता है? जो जोशी का असिस्टेंट था वो सीनियर बन गया. Everywhere it happens like this. When senior is no more, or when the senior retires and the junior becomes the senior, तो जोशी का जो second in command था 2IC, he becomes the senior. He becomes the senior Joshi. So that the king calls that person also, and he asks from that person, उससे पूछता है कि ये सपना मैंने देखा, इसका मतलब बताओ. The same question to the assistant, who is now the senior person. So that person thinks कि अगर मेरा senior नहीं बता पाया, उसको सजा मिल गई, तो मैं कुछ बोलूंगा, मुझे तो उससे भी ज्यादा खतरनाक सजा मिलेगी. I'll get even a harsher punishment. So he is very afraid. But राजा ने पूछा, बताना तो पड़ेगा ही. So he thinks hard, क्या करूं? And he tells the king, okay sir, give me 1 day's time. I will analyze your dream and come to you tomorrow at the same time. What the first one had said, कि एक दिन का टाइम दीजिए, मैं कल आपको बताऊंगा इसका क्या मतलब है. The king says okay. So he also goes to his home and reads the book. किताबें तो सेम ही होती है ना, books are the same, all of you are reading the same books of your subject, but some get 95% and people like me get 55% also. Books are the same, teachers are the same पढ़ाया जाता है, same books आप पढ़ते हो, लेकिन some students excel and others cannot. So you have to find that difference, why that difference arises. Why that difference occurs? So coming back to the story, the second Joshi, the one also goes home and reads the books. किताबें पढ़ता है और उसका डर पड़ जाता है कि जो किताब में तो सेम चीज लिखी है, किताबें तो सेम ही बताएंगे ना, कोई भी पढ़ ले. तो he is even more afraid. Next day he goes to the king. राजा उससे अपना क्वेश्चन दोबारा पूछता है. My teeth fell one by one. What is the meaning of this dream? Now the Joshi has to answer, and answer will be the same as the first one had said. But now the king is very happy. How? What did the Joshi say? सोच सकते हो क्या बोला होगा? The Joshi says, the astrologer says, dear king, you will live longer than all your friends and relatives. आपकी उम्र आपके दोस्तों मित्रों से ज्यादा होगी. मतलब सेम है दोनों का. दोस्त मित्र मर जाएंगे आपसे पहले, दूसरा आपकी उम्र उनसे ज्यादा होगी. दोनों का सेम मतलब है. King is very happy because all of us want to hear good things about ourselves. हम सबको अच्छी चीजें सुनने की आदत है, शौक है. So the first one gets a punishment and the second one gets a reward for saying the same thing. But what is the difference? Difference is the method of communication, interpretation. You read books,